My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
Drop. With 6,500.
Why didn't go?
With credit card? Was that fine?
Just got one, size 7.5. Got some more shoes in the mail. This is a Cloud in size 5.5. This one is another Cloud, size 6. We had a lot of boxes come in the mail today, but surely you guys are sick and tired of seeing me unboxing Yeezys, so let's get this over quickly. If I sell these Yeezys right now, I won't make any money really. I would say at most I would make less than $10 per pair, unless of course I sell it locally, in which I would have to meet up one by one with individual people who want these as personals. I would say that would be the best way to sell these, but I don't have the time nor patience to do that right this moment. I do expect prices to rise within 2 to 3 months for these, so if you are in a position where you've bought a ton of these, just be patient. I think anything under a size 9 should do good. Like I said, I can still make a little bit of profit, but I'm not going to be seeing any of those big numbers anytime soon. 2 more boxes, this time from Footsites, came in just like that, size 7.5 and a size 9 in the Yeezy 350 Citrons. And we have yet another box, but don't worry, this isn't a Yeezy, it's a Nike shoe. Let's open it up. A Jordan 1 mid in the size 5Y. This is the Shattered Backboard mids. Wow, the quality in these are super nice. Kind of want one for myself. Let's see how much this goes for. So right now, if I sold this on Stadium Goods, I would get a payout of $127. That is the approximate market price. And the retail for this was only $90. So I would make a little something. Nothing too crazy, but better than the Yeezys.
Fuck me then.
Uh-oh, baby. Uh-oh. Drop delay now, boys.
I'm getting access denied. Wow.
I'm getting access denied for most of my accounts.
I'm getting access denied for all of them. So fuck me.
Wait, did you guys verify your account?
I'm on submitting payment for fucking one, and I don't know. It works. This is on a variant, and I think it's a big size.
London works, I think.
Hey, if anyone
Size 9, 10, 10.5, 12 is the only one left in stock. Submitting payment on Bodega. Please, please fam, retrying payment. Fuck you.
submitted info.
I got the submitting payment and I never submitted payment. So.
Wait. I got a W somewhere. Oh, yep, got one. Size 5, Foot Locker.
You submit my fucking payment.
I know exactly how you feel right now.
My AirPods are going out of time.
I got another one, boy.
Yeah, but B.
Size. Oh, another size 5. Yeah, robot.
3.5.
Oh, what do you know? Another one. Fucking hell, what bot is killing it? What bot held it down for me for the Jordan 1s? I ended up with 3 GS sizes. Unfortunately, for the New Balances, I won't be able to say the same. KODAI, the bot that I used, was incredibly successful in picking up a lot of these pairs. The thing is, when it comes to Shopify anti-bot releases, you first have to make sure that your proxies are working, and a lot of mine were working. However, once that step is done and you get into the queue, you really just have to get lucky when it comes to getting past the queue. There's nothing really you can do. Once you're in the queue, you just have to sit there and wait. I think my mistake was I didn't run enough tasks. I did run a lot, but probably not as many as some other people. So as you can see, my tasks were just sitting in the queue and none of them got through before they were all completely sold out. Anyways, a little bit later on, I'm going to be dropping some shoes off at Flight Club. I'm going to be dropping off a bunch of Yeezys, and I'm going to be dropping off my Jordan 1 mid. Cyber did not show any success when I tried to go for the in-store release to sign up for it, but I was able to sign up. I am really surprised I was able to successfully do it with my own details, because my details have not been working for as long as I remember. But today I got my time slot and when I'm supposed to be there, and I should be there at around 12:15 if I'm not mistaken. So that's actually not a terrible time slot. I might not be able to get like some of the best sizes, but that is a time slot that will almost guarantee me anything that they release that day. However, I'm obviously not going to get the motorcycle. Yeah, I don't know if that's even possible, to be honest. But the bad thing about this time slot is that it's so close to the actual online drop time. So I'll just be barely able to do the online drop, but then right away I have to leave right as soon as it's finished. Oh wait, what the f***, they dropped mad early. Oh, I got one.
Nice.
Oh, I got this. Got another one. Okay, according to this, I was able to check out 2 so far, but I only got 1 email confirmation. So the other email confirmation might come later. I'm not so sure, but we're just gonna have to see. But anyways, I have to get myself to the train station, or else I might be late for my time slot. Alright, so I'm back from Supreme and I am so upset I didn't get any crew necks. I'm actually really surprised that they didn't have that much stock in the store. Bowery Street usually has a pretty decent amount of stock. I was going for a black or green crew neck, a black beanie, any of the work shirts, and possibly a black jacket. But I wasn't able to get any of that. Instead, I had to settle for a green jacket in a medium and some white extra large gloves. CJ said he wanted some white extra large gloves, which is why I copped. So as far as the jackets go, I saw the jacket in person. Somebody wore it outside and they are super fire. I am highly considering keeping it for myself if CJ doesn't give me a good price for the jacket. And if I decide not to keep it for myself, I feel like it would be a good piece to hold, because once people start seeing what it looks like on somebody's body, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this is a must cop. And the volume on Stockx is really low. Like there's not a lot of sales at all, which really surprises me because I feel like this should at least be worth $500 in my opinion. So we'll just have to see what happens. Unfortunately, in-store release today was an L. Wasn't really able to get anything that crazy. Green jacket in a medium, I'll take it. Before we continue, here is a message from our sponsor. Stockx is a premium cook group that offers all of the necessary information to help you get started reselling sneakers and streetwear. They provide site lists, guides, monitors, incredible support, and much more. However, what separates them from other groups are their plugs and connections who have inside information from some of the main online retailers. This allows their members to get a heads up for many of the shock drops that occur ahead of time, which means that you can prepare for drops that most other people won't know about until it happens. Most groups use Discord to run their operations, but Stockx uses Slack. In my opinion, Slack has a slightly more robust notification system for both mobile and desktop version to make sure that you don't miss any important and time-sensitive notifications. If you're interested in joining, they will be restocking on November 1st, 2019. The time of restock has not yet been announced, so if you're interested, follow them on Twitter to stay updated. So if you're starting out and you need a group, Stockx is definitely an excellent choice. On to the video. What's going on, guys? I am in my new place. I'm finally out of that tiny room that I've been staying in, but you probably can't see most of it because it is dark. Anywho, the Sacais are going to be dropping in a few hours. This is a really important drop, but I did not have any time to set up for it. Before we get to the drops, I did get 2 packages in today, so let's see what we got. Oh, that's sick. I got the Scratch Off Supreme sticker. Here we have the Supreme jersey in a large. Unfortunately, I believe these are bricks. I should be able to sell it local or eBay if I try hard enough. But anyways, we have a few more goodies sitting over here. We have Save the Planet and Kill Yourself sticker, another sticker, and a little parachute guy. On to the next package. This is a Yeezy 500 bone size 9.5. I took it out from Flight Club because I saw that the Stadium Goods prices were way better for these. Now with that out of the way, let's hope we do good on the Sacai drops.
Do you guys know
it's kind of progress. You usually start setting up 5 minutes.
Do you guys know the penalty?
Oh, I just got picked up on Kiss.
Yep.
Captures on captures on captures. Let's go, baby.
I'm not picking up
Everything
anything.
did not work.
No captures? I'm going crazy with captures. Let's go. So good. Falco is picking up no captures. That's fixed.
I got one! What the fuck?
Nice.
Yes, dude.
Nice.
With what? With what?
KODAI.
Oh, lit. I'm running KODAI too, dude. I hope I caught.
Hold up, it's not letting me enter the draw. What the hell?
Yeah, same here.
God damn, I already...
We were able to get a size 12 in the Blazers. I am really happy about that cop. I feel like there could have been a couple of things I could have changed up in order for me to cop more pairs, but nevertheless I was able to cop one. There weren't too many websites that dropped to begin with, so I'm quite happy about the results. Starting from tomorrow up until the weekend, there is going to be the Travis Scott 6s that will be dropping, and I predict that that drop is going to be very difficult. But let's see if we get them in the next episode.